Hey, what's up, FJers? You know, I got these black decals that when they get dirty or sandy from the Moab sand, they show up. Otherwise, they really don't. That doesn't really show up because it is black on black, but I guess it's a magnet to the dust. But man, I think I've gone a little bit overboard. And I think I'm over a lot of my decals, stickers, bullshit. So I'm pretty sure I'm taking everything off except the big TRD up there in the center. I'm gonna leave that. I'm not advertising for Harley. I'm probably gonna buy a BMW next time. That made in Japan sticker, I think, putting me overboard. No Fear is so 1980s. I'm not advertising for Park City. The resort really is beginning to become a tourist mecca trap. That, as funny as it is, I need to grow up. So all the shit off the windows but the TRD and that four-wheel drive are coming off. Let me know what you think. I like it just better black, all black. So I'm all cleaned up now. I'm down in Moab. And I think I'm with less than I started with. So all I've got left is, and you can't see till it gets dirty in another hours, is the TRD. There's the D. And the four-wheel drive, kind of the emblem. And what I love about it is when the car is clean, it's discreet. You really can't see it unless you look for it. See, they're like magic stickers. They're black when it's clean, and as soon as you start getting a little bit of dust, they magically appear and take the color of your surroundings. All right, man. That's all the stickers I'm left with. That's all I'm going back with. Nothing's going to change. That's the way it's going to be. So no more stickers. See ya.